strong.
The first layer of the OSI model is the physical layer. The physical layer of the OSI model is responsible for the ultimate transmission of digital data bits from the physical layer of the sending source device over network communications media to the physical layer of the receiving destination device. It can include specifications such as voltages, pin layout, cabling, and radio frequencies. At the physical layer, one might find physical resources such as network hubs, cabling, repeaters, network adapters, or modems. The second layer is the data link layer. When obtaining data from the physical layer, the data link layer checks for physical transmission errors and packages bits into data frames. This layer also corrects errors that may have occurred at the physical layer. This layer also provides the direct protocol connection between two nodes on a network. Because the data link layer is the most complex layer in the OSI model, it is often divided into two parts: the media access control sublayer and the logical link control sublayer. The third layer is called the network layer. The network layer is responsible for receiving frames from the data link layer and delivering them to their intended destinations based on the addresses contained inside the frame. This layer finds the destination by using logical addresses such as IP or Internet Protocol. At this layer, routers are a crucial component used to quite literally route information where it needs to go between networks. The fourth one is called the transport layer. The transport layer delivers data across network connections. TCP or Transmission Control Protocol and UDP or User Datagram Protocol are the most common examples of transport layer for network protocols. Different transport protocols may support a range of optional capabilities including error recovery, flow control, and support for retransmission. The fifth layer of the OSI model is the session layer. Session layer controls conversations between different computers. A session or connection between machines is set up, managed, and termed here. Session layer services also include authentication and reconnections. It also handles setting up sessions, coordinating the rules for communications, such as how long to wait for a response and how to terminate it. The sixth layer is the presentation layer. Presentation layer is the simplest function of any piece of the OSI model. At layer 6, it handles syntax processing of message data such as format conversions and encryption or decryption needed to support the application layer. And the seventh layer is the application layer. Application layer supplies network services to end-user applications. It only means that this layer is where applications are displayed to the end user. Memorizing the OSI layer in order is kinda hard, but don't worry, we got you. So here's a simple trick to memorize this layer in order. All people seem to need data processing. Again, all people seem to need data processing.